What's up, YouTube? It's your boy King Jehu of Wall Street, aka K to the N, K to the NG. How do I say? What's up, YouTube? This is KNG to the JEHU of Wall Street. Now, today you can see I'm smiling because I just caught a 27 RR trade on my FundedNext free May challenge account. Now, how this got about, I lost about the first 4 trades. And then right now I caught the 27 RR. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I caught the 27 RR, give you a brief trade recap of everything. And then, yeah, be sure to watch to the end because there's a lot of value coming out in this video, guys. So stick with me, stay with me, stay with me. Let's turn you to a beast. Now let me go straight into the video and show you guys how I caught the trade. So this is gold, USD, XAU, USD. Yeah, so guys can see the trade. This is a beautiful entry here. This was the trade I caught just now. Currently trying to, I haven't placed this trade on my account though, this second one, but I want to see if there's a reaction before I get in. Right now, this is the trade I analyzed yesterday night. I'm also going to put the before and after on your screen, guys. So this is the trade. Look at it. You can see risk to reward ratio 27.09. Now the simple entry of this trade was that when price dunked here, this point here that I see price just went down crazily, that's when I decided that okay, I need to change my bias to bearish. Then after that, this first pullback, I took it as my liquidity. Every other thing here price was doing was just liquidity. Then I drew out a 5-minute QMR from here, which is in line with a 3-minute order block. That was what price moved to move this 13 RR, but I didn't place this 13 RR though. I was just waiting for my 27 RR. Trading, you have to be very, very selective on which trade you're taking. Then boom, by the time I woke up this morning, price already printed 27 weeks to reward, smashed my TP before trying to reverse. And now I'm going to show you guys on my trading account. My trading account, you can see FundedNext make competition, and then this is the trade history of today. You can see 27,200. This is complete. You can see the entry exactly on the spot and the exit exactly on the spot. Now this second trade I actually predicted is even trying to play out already, because the entry, but I don't know if this one is going to play out though. But if it reacts, I'm going to use a 5-minute order block. This is the entry, and then this is, so this is just the body of the order block. You can see price has tapped into where the order block is and is not pulling back. Now I'm going to look for a lower time frame confirmation probably if I want to take this trade. Okay, you can see now price printed a breaker block on the same spot. Well, I'm not really sure I'm going to take this trade though, but since this is kind of a reaction from the zone, I will try and place my entry on this 1-minute order block. But price hasn't given me liquidity yet, so I'll wait for liquidity. But if I place entry on this 1-minute order block, I'm going to be risking 771, and then my take profit is going to be this particular low. No, this particular low. Wow, 10K. Okay, let's do this. So guys, I mean, what any setup you see is what taking the risk. You take the risk. Let me also give a screenshot of the second trade before it plays out perfectly. If it doesn't, no problem. But if this does, then we're gonna be up 34K on this account. So thank you guys for watching this video. I mean, there's a lot to learn. If you want to learn more about this, my DM is open. Sorry. Yeah, you can send me a DM on Instagram. Just check the link in my bio or in the description, and we're gonna talk more about this, right? Thank you guys.